Good afternoon, my name is Carlos Palacios. I work for Clean Marine. Today is May 13, 325. So we go to take a sample for a engine test. So we have here our oil purifier system. There is a high-speed separator, decanter, vibration screen, filters, chemicals, everything to do the best Bahamas clean oil with low sulfur content. Okay, so let's take the sample. Here is our first tank. Let's take the sample from the middle of the tank. This is how it looks our oil. You can see it's pretty black. It's bright. It's a nice color. So let's put in the beaker. Okay, like that looks in the beaker. Let me clean a little bit here the valve. And you can see how it looks in the beaker. Looks pretty black. That is how looks the walls in the beaker. You can see. So that is our clean oil, the best Bahamas clean oil. So let's do the test. So here with the hand, here with the baguette, like that looks our oil. And here in the beaker. Okay, like that looks our clean oil. Now, if you want to see how it looks when it's cleaning, please follow me. That video is continuously. No, we are not cutting the video. Just I want to show you how the gas bottle was not here. Sorry, I forget the gas bottle is over there. So that, like that, still my hand black. It's like HFO 380. It's heavy oil. Just to remove it, I need to do that. This is gas. So it's not sludge because we use high-speed separators. 8000 G, we use demulsifier, so it's not solids. And low water content. But it's low, below 1%. So, like that. Get the hand, just with gas. So if you need additional information, let us know. That is our clean oil installation.